Here we're taking a live look of downtown Fort Wayne on top of the Grand Wayne Center. In case you missed the sunrise, well, here's a time lapse on top of our sky cam. Now, we did saw some clouds off in the distance, but then you start to see the sun beginning to shine. Expect to see plenty of clear skies throughout the day. Now, if you're going to be out and about this morning, we are tracking some patchy fog, but overall still seeing great conditions. Look at the current visibility. Over Angola, there's some dense fog towards our north, about less than a mile of visibility. Then some patchy fog off towards our west in Kendallville and Warsaw. So just take it slow in those areas. Temperatures are comfortable in the low 60s, 61 degrees in Fort Wayne, Auburn, Angola, 63 degrees down towards our south in Bluffton and in Huntington. Here's our dew points. It's not too bad, a little humid, but overall not too bad. Looking at our muggy cast, it will get more humid as the day goes on. You can tell with the little frowny faces or even shocked faces, we're going to see very humid conditions. So here's our GO 16 water vapor satellite imagery. So this tells us how much moisture is in the atmosphere. So as of right now, it's not too bad. It's kind of average. But if we zoom out across the Midwest, you see plenty of moisture off towards our west. That's from a broken cold front that will make its way towards our region. That's going to be the reason why it's going to be humid today. So here's our storm track radar. Again, here's that cold front. Again, it's very dry, broken line of showers and storms. Not much rain is expected with that system. Looking across northeast Indiana, we're pretty dry, but if we zoom in into Ohio, we track some light showers into Defiance and Lima, but overall, it's still pretty dry this morning. Here's our future track. We'll see plenty of sunshine this morning by lunchtime, but then we'll start to see some clouds increasing and a few pop-up showers, kind of similar as yesterday. We'll see some isolated thunderstorms into the afternoon. It's going to be a quick 10-15 minute heavy downpour, maybe some gusty winds, and then it's going to be gone out of our sight, out of mind. As we get towards into tomorrow morning, here comes that cold front. You can barely tell where it is, but it's going to be isolated to scattered showers in the morning and the much drier conditions as we get towards the afternoon. So looking at the surface weather map, again, there's nothing going on. High pressure system off towards the east. This cold front will increase some moisture today. Once that system begins to push through, this high will begin anchoring across the southeast, which will bring us plenty of sunshine for the work week ahead. Now today's backyard forecast, if you want to be outside, maybe do some yard work, we're going to see great conditions. We'll warm up around the mid 80s, but with the humidity, we could see heat index values probably around the upper 80s. A thunderstorm may be possible into the afternoon, but overall, we're going to be pretty much dry, so you don't have to cancel any of your plans. As we get towards tonight, we'll see isolated storms before midnight. After midnight, we should start to see much drier conditions. Lows will drop down into the mid 60s. As we get towards tomorrow, isolated showers early from that cold front, but again, as we get towards the afternoon, more sunshine, much more comfortable temperatures, highs are in the low 80s. But this will be a much drier heat, where today is going to be more humid. And look at the next 7 days. It's going to be pretty quiet for the next work week ahead. We'll see mostly sunny skies for Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday, we see our highs drop down to the upper 70s, but it's going to be short-lived as we'll warm back up in the mid-80s by Friday.
Well, I will tell you this. What's the best part about that, in my opinion, is the fact that we're not in the 90s all week.
It's a nice break from the heat.
Nice break from the heat. Thank you for that forecast, Matthew.